Okie dokie, it's Jeff here again. Christmas and everything going on. My old standby loader, I ordered some new ones to give out as gifts and to keep one. What's better than one Podavach loader? Two. But this one got jealous, so the round started sticking in the rail here. Everybody knows what this is, Ballistol. It's good for lubricant, penetrants, leather. It's also good for wood. So as a fix-it, over time, I guess you get a residue built up in these rails. You just take your Ballistol, spray it kind of generously, paper towels, wipe it off, make sure the rails get coated. Now these rounds were sticking right up in here. It's never done that before, and I've had this thing for years. I've treated this once or twice a year like this for years. I didn't do it last year. So guess what? It got used to it. When I got the new one in, it got all jealous. And I've got another thing on the new one I'm going to show you, because Podavach's kind of screwed up a little bit. Their jigs got out of alignment. So the new ones were having trouble loading AK-47s. They wouldn't fit properly. They couldn't get them to sit flat. I'll show you the fix-it for that here in a minute. Anyway, this was sticking. Now, this is an AR-15 magazine. And I mean, they were sticking, even trying to push them down the rail here. As you can see now, they're just sliding smooth. I'd have been thinking I'd have got a video of it while it was doing that, but I wasn't sure what the problem was. So just be advised that as I was trying to slide them through here even, they would hang up. Especially right in this little curved area here. Then when you tried to push it, it would just totally jam. It wouldn't allow you to push anything. Of course, it did that when I was trying to show it off to some friends. So they didn't have a very good impression, but I'll send them this video, maybe it'll help them. Now that's loaded. One more round. And this was jamming from the get-go, but now, simple.